Hello! Today we will be talking about finding the equation of a line given its graph. This is very easy skill that should not give much problem as long as you know what information to look for on the graph. This information is very easy to spot, so pay attention. If we are trying to find slope-intercept aka y equals mx plus b equation, first thing we need to look for on the graph is the y-intercept. This point is where your line crosses the y-axis. That's the axis that goes straight up and down. Once you find this number, this is your b value in y equals mx plus b. Next thing we need to find is the slope. In the equation, this is the m value, and on the graph, we will treat this as rise over run. Usually when we look for m, we try to find the rise over run that it takes to move from the y-intercept to the next point. This is the way that we will do this in 2 out of our 3 examples, but as we will see in the last example, this is not always going to be the case. As long as you have 2 nice points, figure out what the rise over run is to move from the leftmost point to the one on the right. Pay attention to the third example. And once you have m and b, you just plug them into y equals mx plus b, and there is your equation. Let us take a look at a few examples and see how this shakes out. Like it has already been said, this is going to be very easy skill. In this first example, first thing we are going to do is look for y-intercept. That point can be found right here. This tells us that our b value is going to equal whatever the y value is there, -2. Next, we need rise over run. So we see we go up 3, and then right 1, 2, 3, and 4 to move from the y-intercept to the next point. This tells us that our m is 3 because our rise was 3, over 4 because the run was 4. We take these 2 values that we found, we plug them into y equals mx plus b. This gives us final equation of y is equal to 3/4 x minus 2. You see, nothing to worry about. Let us take a look at next example problem. Different graph does not mean different rules. Start by finding the y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the straight up and down axis. This here tells us that our y-intercept, or our b value, is equal to 3. Next we look for rise over run. This time we go down 2, and then we move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the right. Since we move down, this means that our rise is a negative number, so we get -2, and then we have a run of 5. That number should always be positive for you. So we put these 2 things in our equation, and this gives us y is equal to -2/5 x plus 3. Very good, 2 easy examples. Now we move on to last problem. Remember, I said this one was going to be different. Not very different, but a little bit different. I wonder if you'll be able to find out what it is. First, we start by looking for y-intercept again. This time we see that b is equal to -4, as we see there. Now we look for rise over run. We're moving down 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and 7. Our rise is -7. Our run is 1, 2, and 3. This means that our m value is going to equal -7 over 3. Very good. Next thing, we put into y equals mx plus b the m and the b value that we found. This gives us final answer of y is equal to -7 over 3x minus 4. So what was different here? Well, it was practically nothing. What was different was that we didn't use the y-intercept as the starting point for our rise over run. Instead, we figured out what the rise over run was by using the point to the left and then moving to the y-intercept. This is opposite to the way that we did this in the other 2 examples. But remember, when you are looking for rise over run, always move from the leftmost point to the right. Good, let's do a quick review. So, if you are trying to find the y equals mx plus b equation from the graph of a line, then what you are going to do first is find the y-intercept by looking at where the line crosses the straight up and down y-axis, and then you are going to find the rise over run in order to get your m value. Once you have those 2 things, you plug them in for m and b into your y equals mx plus b equation, and there is your answer. And so this is everything I need to tell you. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day.